So, what's up, YouTubers? Welcome to a new video on my channel. Today we are actually talking about a bot for your Kick streaming. Kick is a new streaming service that really doesn't have a bot that you can use for its services. Elibot is okay, but it's not working. So search for Botrix and then you will come up with this page, which is a bot for basically streaming on Kick, because Nightbot and stuff you can't use Nightbot with Kick right now. So that's why you use this instead, and you can also get your alerts for followers and everything, because a lot of people are switching over to Kick now. So it's a lot of people requesting, how do I do this, or what kind of bot do I need, or what's happening. So I wanted to show this, and I myself have a page on Kick and streaming page. So I myself also is streaming there sometimes, so I know a little bit about it. But here you can log in with Twitch. It doesn't matter if you log in with Twitch on this one, because it's later on you need to link it with your Kick. So when you linked it to Kick, that's when you actually are connected to Kick. So if you log in with Twitch here, it's fine, you just do it. And when you log in with that, you're going to basically get something like this, where it asks you to, you're going to get into the bot, and then you can start linking stuff. And here is what you want to link your Kick streaming to your actual bot, so to say. And create a dashboard, not create a dashboard, but here you're going to add your Botrix as a moderator. You go into your Kick channel, and under create a dashboard you can add Botrix live as a moderator. Now you see he's a moderator on my channel, so that's the first step. And you're going to get a code that you can pass into the Kick streaming service for this bot. It's going to show you exactly how you do it. And once you've done that, it's basically linked to your Kick here, so you can link it to anything. If it says like this, it's not active, it's linked, but it's not active. It says settings. But if it's like this, it's active right now. So with this bot, you have pretty much everything: alert, chatbot. You have pretty much everything, loyalty points and stuff. You can change loyalty points, which I like. You can pretty much do anything. It's not really extensive as Streamlabs, but it's the next best thing you can get for streaming on Kick right now, and with a bot that actually works. I can also show, we're going to do like this. I'm going to promote my Kick a little bit, just because you're watching this video, and maybe you're still watching. And right now we have a lot of subs on YouTube, so this is more of a streaming service. And if you want to help me up to maybe, let's say, 100 followers, I think we have 3,000 or something on my YouTube channel. Mostly like Fortnite though, but if you still like Fortnite and want to see streams, well, you can also follow me on Kick. So if we can get the 100 followers here from you guys, that would be amazing. That we should have at least 100 OGs on a channel, on my YouTube channel, for sure, that want to support this. And so do that. I think affiliate is 75 or something followers or something like that, so you can follow that. But that's my Kick thing. Back to the thing we were talking about. And yes, one good thing with this bot as well is that you can fix your alerts. And I'm not going to show the code here, because I can't really show the code, because it said do not share this file with anything or pass it in any chat. So I'm going to just explain how I do this. You see this alert, this is a web browser source. So you're going to add a web browser source into your OBS, and you probably know how to do this. You press this, and then you see browser source. And once you have done the browser source, you're going to get the options, how big it's going to be or how small it's going to be. And you can just put 920 times 1080, and basically you just pass this link. You're going to pass into a browser source in Streamlabs OBS like this. And when you've done that, you're going to get this. When you add 1920 1080, you're going to get a size that is as big as this one. And I did it just smaller because I wanted the alert a little bit lower down, a little bit more centered. So now we're gonna try this, and so for example, if somebody would follow my kick right now, this would happen. Now I don't know. I don't think I have any sound on because my headset have no batteries, which is nice for the video. But we're gonna put. I'm gonna actually load my headset so I get some power in it, so you can hear the sound. Yeah. So let's see, guys. I'm gonna see if we can turn this headset on now. Should be able to get some power, maybe. So you're gonna hear it when it pops. So we can take, for example, a subscription. Let's say a subscription. You can see it here. This is gonna happen when somebody sub to my Kick channel. And it's the same with, what's the raid, maybe tip. Tip is weird. I don't know. That's a weird layout, but we can do a gift sub on that one. So that's what's gonna show when somebody gifts a sub. So it's pretty cool. And that's how we basically set up the alerts in. Well, since you are not connected and logged in to Twitch that auto fix these things from Streamlabs service, then you need to do this kind of, I don't know what you call it. Yeah, just a thing to fix it when you stream on Kick, basically, to get your alerts and everything. So I hope that will show pretty much everything you have to do with this. The bot is really nice, I think. I don't know if it beats out Nightbot, but since you can't use Nightbot on this and you can't really get the alerts and it's not included in Streamlabs, you need to do this to get your alerts on Kick as well. So this was a bit of a different video for you guys. Maybe someone will find it interesting, maybe somebody won't, but I kind of like doing tutorials as well because I do some gaming and streaming and videos and stuff, and some of these not common knowledge, I can't say, but some of these knowledge things that people really want to figure out, or where I was trying to search for a bot for this, for example, and I just found LiveBot, and that bot was not good. So I'm recommending Botrix instead, because that's a full powered bot, and it actually works for everything, and alerts works, and you can do so many nice alerts. But in LiveBot you can't basically do any alerts. They like, and the music and sound in this is pretty nice as well for the alerts. So that was my my video, and yeah, help support this Kick as well as my YouTube. Would be amazing. Can we get like 100 followers? Would be really nice. So as a start, and then we move on from there. So yes, go ahead and follow and subscribe and like, and I will see you on the next stream, or like the YouTube videos, or a stream on YouTube. You never know, guys. So see you in the next time, guys. Peace out.